Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? I just unboxed all the pieces for this dresser that actually ships in this one flat box here, but essentially this is all the pieces that it comes with. When going into assemblies like this, I think it's a really good idea to kind of get everything organized, either by size or by number. That way when you're grading parts, you can kind of just grab them and go. So I know that these are the two side panels. This is the dresser back, this is the dresser top, and these are the various panels that are built to build out the rest of the dresser. These look like drawer sides, these look like drawer sides as well. These right here are the drawer rails, right? They're gonna go on the drawers on the bottom side, and these right here are all the individually bagged hardware parts. So got my work cut out for me, but now it's time to put it together. So let's see what it looks like in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, what's going on, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this 7-drawer dresser that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this actually looks pretty nice. Obviously the two, I guess, key features on this is the locks at the top. So if installed properly, you can see I just opened it, but then if you twist it, then it locks. Same thing for this. So working locks, a plus. Now the handles here are plastic, actually a pretty strong plastic, but if you wanted to change those out, I'm pretty sure you can do that. You just have to take the measurement from the hole on this side and the hole on this side, and then just match it with something that you can either find somewhere online. That's of course if you want to change out the handles. Now if we look at the actual dresser, and what I'll do is I'll just put my hand inside just so you guys can get an idea of how deep it is. Which I think is decently deep, but I think the main attraction is the 7 drawers. So with 7 drawers, I'm sure you can pack a lot of clothes inside of this. And obviously another cool thing about this particular dresser is that it comes in a multitude of colors. So this one is the black, but it comes in so many colors. White, it's got like a caramel color, a bunch of other colors that you can choose from. So obviously a great plus there. Now when it comes to the assembly took me about, let's say about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours altogether, unboxing and assembly. I did use a drill, so it did, speed up the process a little bit. But what I would suggest anybody who is assembling this, if you're going to use a drill, just use it on the lowest setting. And of course, if you're going to use a screwdriver, it's going to take you a little bit longer, but it is a safer route. Most people probably take anywhere between 2 and maybe 4 hours, of course, depending on your skill set and the tools that you use. And my number one tip though, when you are doing this assembly, is to build as much of the dresser on a elevated table so that you're not hunched over during the assembly and you won't hurt your back. Again, it took me about a couple of hours, so not too bad at all. I highly recommend this dresser. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.